are launching a conference that, like everything in computing, will hopefully get bigger, faster, more optimized, and hopefully will not crash. This conference is titled Frontiers in Computer Science. And when we say frontiers, we really do mean the boundary area, the places where the known world ends and the exciting, messy, unpredictable future begins.
This conference is an opportunity for all of us to learn from the practitioners, experts, and academics. I am glad that the conference has technical sessions, workshops, and competitions with learning and skill development opportunities for scholars, students of all levels. I expect them to benefit from the various presentations and skill development activities.
Computer science is everywhere and having new challenges in every minute of the life. Right from our social system to the technological system, we are now dependent on computer science and its branches of learning.